Director on Redbacks fans, but
April 6th, the Hilltop take on the Southwest Slammers. Tip up for the women at 5 o'clock, the men at 7 o'clock, and shortly the Wolves will be up in the Wolves 10 for the coaches' speeches and the MVP will be presented. But congratulations to the Wolves pack, get a high five, congratulations.